To Amakosi fans, you see this season, ne? You see this season, ne? Let me keep quiet. Talk is cheap. You will see. Shout out to my grandmother back at home. I just want to say thank you for everything. I am who I am today. It's because of you. I love you and I miss you so much.
Push. Okay, yeah. Come on, Marco. Come on. Your arm and your trunk forward. Yeah, very good. Come on, Vilakazi. Come on, my friend. Push. Very good. Come on.
Bafethu Nyambungu Obrigado uNthembisa a very good season emnandi. Yeah, let's hope that is going to be the case. That means the incoming coach, as I've already told you guys, the incoming coach believes in the players and he believes in Vilakazi. I think he's building the team around Ovila. So Villa should definitely become a big player, as I've been telling you. Guys, it's finally happening. I will tell you who Kaizer Chiefs close is set. I hear that he is set for a medical with Kaizer Chiefs. I will reveal who the big star is. Kaizer Chiefs have been trying to sign him for a couple of seasons. It seems like Kaizer Chiefs have finally reached an agreement to sign the player. I will reveal who he is, so don't go anywhere. Lilepo to Al Ahly Benghazi. Al Ahly is a corner. He is no longer Kaizer Chiefs material consignation. It's not very good news to hear that the player, Lilepo was very critical member to the team. Kaizer Chiefs versus Elche, guys. It is going to be on. Today. Go to look for the full game. It's live on the Elche YouTube channel. So if you have access to YouTube, just go search on the search icon and search Elche YouTube channel. It's currently on. It's on a countdown. There is a clock counting down to the game against Kaizer Chiefs. So right after watching this video, you can just go from my channel and check into the Elche channel, and then you will see that the game against Kaizer Chiefs is going to be live. And I've already talked about the lineup. Kaizer Chiefs, I think they are going to put up a very strong lineup with Peterson in goal. I think Manyane will go into right back. Totally to be paired alongside Maloi Sane and Bradley Cross, recently arriving in Spain, coming from the World Cup with Bafana Bafana. So he is with the team in preseason, and I think he will start at left back ahead of Nkwesa, and in the middle of the park I have Maboweno Frosler being converted from right back into a defensive midfielder by Coach Da Cruz. So that is Uri Frosler, Chislet playing in front of Maboweno Frosler, and then Uvila and Valibai flanking Da Silva. Ighodaro starting the last game and scoring, but I don't think is going to start this game against Elche. Da Silva, I think he is going to start this game. Right, guys. SA coaches abroad, we have a couple of coaches that are coaching abroad. Umnqethi at Yanga, Rulani at Pyramids, Steve Barker at Simba, Utinkla at Asante Katoko. Good luck to all the coaches. We hope they're going to represent the country very well. Will Valibai step up to replace Lilepo? I think this is his chance. Valibai currently has a goal and an assist during the 2 games that have been played in preseason. So he certainly is raising his hand. So let's hope that Valibai will continue with the good form. Gallants have exercised an option on Bante. The deal is 80% done with Kaizer Chiefs. So the negotiations are in the final stages. Kaizer Chiefs looking to sign Bante from Marumo Gallants. Right, and the big signing that I've been telling you guys about, it's finally happened. Azam have accepted Kaizer Chiefs. I think it's believed to be 15 million Azam have accepted Kaizer Chiefs' offer to sign Faisal Salum. I showed you guys that picture of Salum holding or wearing the Kaizer Chiefs shirt. I think it was a picture that he posted on his Instagram. So that was a hint that he could be coming to Kaizer Chiefs. So finally, it's happening. Kaizer Chiefs have been trying to sign him for a couple of seasons now. So it's finally happening, guys. I think it's a big signing, massive statement of intent that the Kaizer Chiefs should definitely be making big signings. So watch out for those players. Kaizer Chiefs set to announce a couple of marquee signings. Hopefully, Pili going to be announced alongside Panse and Faisal Salum. In terms of Ribeiro, I don't know whether I don't know how far Kaizer Chiefs are or whether they are going to win that race, Yaga Lucas Ribeiro Costa. Right, guys, in terms of updates for Kaizer Chiefs, that is all I have for you guys. Remember to give it a like and remember to subscribe.
This photo is going viral. Have you seen this? This is real. It's a real photo of Messi and a baby Yamal. That's really him as a baby. Now, this is from 2007, and some fans are saying that this is a huge conspiracy and that FIFA has been scripting every game for the last 20 years. Now, that's obviously ridiculous. I mean, you have to be stupid to believe that. Until you look into it. You see, Messi is 39 now, but he was 20 in that photo. 39 minus 20 is 19, which is how old Lamine Yamal is now. And what number does Yamal wear? That's right, 19. What's more, this picture was taken in 2007, which was 19 years ago. And what was Messi's jersey number in 2007? That's right, 19. That's totally real, but it gets crazier because the final takes place this Sunday, July 19th. Oh, I wish it ended.
Yeah, that was Messi. I guess Yamal Asase toddler. I think he was 4 months old. Yeah, and that's why I'm saying that this final was written in the stars. Right, guys. I hope that Lionel Messi will be able to win his second World Cup. Probably he will overtake Thiago Maradona in terms of being an icon, being a god. We know that Maradona, there is a religion, Yaga Maradona, he is worshipped as a god, and I think Lionel Messi probably is the best player in history. So yeah, let's hope he wins his second World Cup. Drop your thoughts on comments. Who do you think is going to win the World Cup? Right, guys, back to Kaizer Chiefs.